Welcome to FlotasNet. In this video we are going to talk about the SEL module and within it about the routes analysis, the engine torque report, driving profile management, driver qualification report and driver analysis. Let's start with route analysis. Let's go to Modules, SEL, Route Analysis. On the left side of the screen we can select the input parameters with the following options. Select template. This option allows you to select a previously created template from the drop-down menu. This functionality speeds up data extraction as it allows generating new templates and saving them in the system, so that on subsequent occasions it is not necessary to parameterize the report and it is only necessary to choose a template to be displayed. Select fields. If you don't want to select a template or you want to add or remove fields from the selected template, you can do it in this section manually from the list of available data. Select Options. Total Values Mode. It allows to extract the total counter between the selected dates. Normalize Mode to X kilometers. It allows to extract the counter based on the number of kilometers. Grouping. It allows to choose different levels of grouping of the information. You can choose up to 3 of each extracted report, allowing grouping by month, week, day, registration plate, operator, vehicle brand, vehicle model, group of the vehicle assigned in FlotasNet, start point, it is the geographic area in FlotasNet where the route starts, endpoint, it is the geographic area in FlotasNet where the route ends, route, coincidence of the start and end point of each journey. Select the desired options, the period to analyze and click on Consult. This report allows to extract the information from the CAN bus parameters relating to the vehicle's performance, together with the data that allows evaluating the driving in one table. The data in the route analysis report are recalculated once a day automatically, which allows to summarize all the information coming from the vehicles on the trips shown in this report. If you click on the highest grouping level, for example month, it displays the next level of grouping, for example registration plate number. By clicking on one of the lines at the top, each of the sections that have been carried out in that period is displayed at the bottom of the report. At the bottom left of each block there is a search engine that allows to use different filters within the report. Take a note that only the first 10 pages of the report are displayed on the screen. You can use the arrows at the bottom to go to the next pages. When you make a right-click on one of the sections at the bottom, a pop-up window opens. It allows you to realize the following actions. View video allows access to the video report of the selected section. View idling allows access to the idle report of the selected section. View graphic report of engine torque allows access to the driver's engine torque report of the selected section. Each of the 2 blocks of the report, upper and lower, have the possibility to send to Excel. Engine torque report. Go to Modules, SEL, Engine torque report. You must select the operator, driver, and the period, dates you want to consult. The result is a graph that shows on the x-axis different revolutions ranges and on the ordinate axis the engine torque percentages. The areas colored in green are the areas where the engine performance is optimal based on the top power curve of the engine. In addition to the engine usage information, driving information for the selected period is displayed on the right-hand side. In the extra action bar, the following options are shown. Export to Excel allows to send the information from the torque report to Excel. Export to PDF allows to send the torque report information to PDF. Driving profiles management. Go to Modules, SEL, Management of driving profiles. In this section we register the driving profiles. we click on Registration, put the name of the profile and description, as well as the percentage we give to each of the parameters of safety, efficiency, quality and ecology. By default, it is set 25% for each, but it can be modified. The screen shows all the registered profiles, the number of vehicles assigned to each profile, and the parameters of safety, efficiency, quality and ecology. If, for example, we click on the national profile, we see the parameters that have been selected to evaluate the profile, the total value that we give to that concept, and then we see the maximum and minimum for the rating of all concepts. The closer to the maximum, the better the driver will be scored, and the closer to the minimum, the worse. Driver's qualification report. To get this report, we go to Modules, SEL. In this report, we can select only the period to consult. As a result, we have the list of all the drivers of the company, and it evaluates them according to the following parameters: safety, efficiency, quality, ecology, and general rating of the driver. On the right side, we see a radial graph with different profiles. In the screen on the left, we can see each driver and its score out of 100. We can click on the driver's name, and in the screen on the right appears a detailed graph with the score of the driver in dark blue and the average score of the rest of the drivers of this profile in light blue. Driver's analysis. To get this report, we go to Modules, SEL, Driver Analysis. Select the operator, the period to analyze, and click on Consult. At the top, we see the driver we are evaluating, the profile, and the selected date. Starting, initial, and environmental data are the information that don't affect the driving. Detailed graphics. It is the same graph that we have seen previously in the driver rating report. Next, we see the parameters assigned to safety, efficiency, quality, and ecology. It gives us the score the driver has on each of them and gives us a message of how it is doing. We have the graph of engine torque that we have also seen before, an annual evaluation, and the graph of environmental data and initial data. This report is created for companies to give to drivers, as in addition to giving a score for each of the evaluated parameters. It also tells what the driver can do to improve those parameters and which the evaluation is not good. This report can be downloaded, and it is very useful for drivers to see the results and improve their driving habits.
FlotasNet. Juntos, mejor.